Hey, what is up, guys? So just a quick video here just to basically get you to understand how much money I am saving with this. So here you can see the average price per lead, okay? Across the board, across the market. And you can see here for a webinar, for someone to generate a lead for your webinar, you will on average pay $72. $72, guys. So as of now, I have been able, without spending a dime, to generate 335 registrants for my webinar. And so basically, I just saved more than $24,000 that I would have normally paid to acquire all these people for my webinar. All right? It's absolutely insane. It's huge. Okay? So all of you guys who right now are only driving leads through Facebook ads or some other platform, TikTok ads or something like that, you might be around this ballpark here of leads costing you like 70 and up. Okay, so this is why I created the system, because I wanted to find something that's so profitable that I do not have to waste $72 before I get someone in my webinar, and I basically get them for free. Okay, so that's a very, very quick update. So I really encourage you guys to check out the progression of this thing. So I'm having a blast, putting this thing together and seeing the numbers go up. And I will see you in the next video. But this right now, just understand, I normally would have paid more than $24,000 to Facebook to get the same results. So that's how powerful the system is.